Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass ARE V-Series. Fits the 07 to 13 Chevy full-size truck with the 8-foot bed. It's in decent shape. It does have a couple scuffs and chips in the paint there. It's definitely been used, but it's not really been abused. A couple chips there at the top of the window. Looks good through here. Looks good down through here. Got a couple chips right there, and right next to the window frame there. Bottom edge looks good. No major damage on the bottom edge. Stone chip right there. And then you got a couple more chips just kind of right down through this whole general vicinity. And then there's another one right there. Really not too bad. Bird got it this morning on the E, but other than that, half side sliders in the side. Looks like the back window is tinted and the front one is clear, but not really sure about that, why that's that way, but that's what it is. Picture window in the front. Looks good through here. Couple chips right there. Oh yeah, bird's got it. Dang, the bird's got it a couple times this morning. And got a couple chips right there, right there. Paint looks good down through here. Picture window in the front. And then on this side, basically the same as the other side. Got some chips right there. And probably, let's see what the top looks like. Probably about the same. Actually, this side looks a little bit better than the other side did. Not seeing any major chips on this side at all. This side looks good. No damage down through here. Yeah, definitely better on this side than it was the other side. A couple scratches right there, just seeing them right there. A couple nicks and some scratches. Down through there looks good. A little bit of chip underneath the mirror or window there. And got another one spot right there with a couple chips. The bottom edge looks good. No damage on the bottom edge. Half side sliders on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door. Looks good through the back here. Got a couple chips up here by the light. And down through here. A couple chips right there. Starting to rain on me. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make this or not. Inside is just dirty. But spare fiberglass doesn't really say. Screens look pretty good on this side. There's a little bit of a tear right there in it. That's about it on that side. This screen is just gone. They've taken it out. Serial number. Built specifically for a 2013 Chevy 1500 regular cab with the 8-foot bed. 74 Victory Red is the color. So there it is. Got a cab high fiberglass ARE V-Series. Fits the 2013 or 2007 to the 2013 Chevy trucks, 1500, 2500, 3500 with the 8-foot bed. Red in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are all available on our site as well. So you just click that link, go to our site, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it sent out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap style, brand, color, height, bed size, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.